good afternoon and welcome to my video in my luscious green garden with my naughty dog and my noisy cat who's not being too noisy at the moment. So today we are going to talk about adjectives, okay, and specifically the order in which we put adjectives. Remember that adjectives come before the noun in English, not the same as in French. So first you would start with the adjective which gives your opinion, right? So it could be unusual or naughty, which is my opinion of my dog, but it is also a fact. Right, the size, so it could be tiny, gigantic, minute, enormous. Physical quality, so it could be an untidy garden, or it could be a smooth table. The shape, so I have a round trampoline. Age could be youthful, like me. Color could be pink or red. Origin, Japanese. So have a look and remember that in English, when you're using an adjective to speak about somebody's nationality, you always use a capital letter, right? It's a capital J for Japanese. South African is a capital S and a capital A. Right, then you would use the adjective describing the material that it's made of. So this is a glass table, or it could be a wooden swing. Right, the type. So this is a picnic table. And the last one is the purpose. So it could be a cleaning cloth. Okay, so remember the order. So if I were to describe my dog, I would say she is a lovely but naughty, big, fluffy, gentle, young, black, mixed breed, guard dog. Well, when I say guard dog, that's not really true because she's not very scary at all. Okay, scary. Right, scary is an adjective. So a dog can be scary. It can be a scary dog, a scary movie. Okay, so that's describing what you find. You find this dog scary, but you feel scared with an ed at the end, right? Don't get those two confused. We can also make adjectives by taking a verb and adding either ing or ed. So the most common ones with ing are amusing, annoying, boring, disappointing, exciting, interesting, frightening, tiring, shocking, surprising, and worrying. So remember, these words are used to describe how you find something. So I found that show very amusing. I find this dog very annoying at times. It was a very disappointing training class. Okay? So it's how you find something. Boring. Remember that boring, and the ing in French would be ennuyeux. Okay, it's not je m'ennuyais. That would be the ed ending. Okay, so do not get confused. Because, you know, I might say that I find certain documentaries boring. Okay? And that means that they make me want to go to sleep, and I don't find them very interesting. But I would never say I'm boring. I would say I'm bored, but I would never say I'm boring, because I am not. I'm interesting and fun and never dull. And also remember that in French you say sometimes donner des zéros aux élèves, ça m'ennuie. But in English you would not say giving students zero makes me bored. No, okay, it's not the same word. In fact, the word you're looking for in that sense is to bother someone, right? It bothers me to give you a zero, my dear students. Or I find it bothersome when I have to phone up parents because students haven't been good. Something that makes you feel uncomfortable or not good. But it's not bored. Bored just means you find something uninteresting or dull. Okay? Right. So then you have the words, the adjectives, which is a verb finishing with ed, like amused, annoyed, closed, delighted, disappointed, excited, frightened, tired, worried, and bored. Okay? These are how you feel. So if something amuses you, you're amused by it, right? Okay, you find it amusing. If you find something not interesting, if it bores you, you are bored. And these are often after the verb to be, right? I'm bored, I'm tired, I'm disappointed, I'm excited for the next episode of Koh-Lanta, right? Okay, so I hope that helps you, and you will now remember the order of the adjectives and the difference between to find something amusing and to be amused, or to find something boring and to be bored. Right, so I hope you have a lovely evening and that nothing bothersome happens to you, and that you have, an exciting evening in front of your favorite TV show or reading a very interesting book.